In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pair an LG soundbar with a subwoofer, specifically the S60 Q model. This is an excellent way to enhance your TV's sound and enjoy a more immersive audio experience. The LG S60 Q soundbar comes with a wireless subwoofer and a remote control. You can also control the soundbar using the LG Wi-Fi speaker app on your smartphone. This model boasts multiple inputs and outputs, including HDMI, optical, USB, and Bluetooth, and supports advanced audio formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS-X for a realistic surround sound effect. Now let's pair the soundbar with the subwoofer. Ensure both the soundbar and the subwoofer are plugged into a power outlet and turned on. You should see a green LED light on the subwoofer indicating it's powered up, and a white LED light on the soundbar. If the LED indicators are different, please refer to your model's manual for the correct information. The subwoofer should automatically enter pairing mode when it's turned on for the first time. If it doesn't, or if you need to repair it, press and hold the pairing button on the back of the subwoofer for about 5 seconds until you hear a beep sound and the green LED light starts blinking. For the soundbar, you typically don't need to press a pairing button on the remote. The soundbar should automatically detect the subwoofer and pair with it. If it doesn't, refer to the manual for model-specific instructions. Wait for the pairing to complete. This is usually indicated by the green LED light on the subwoofer turning solid. Some models may also show a confirmation on the soundbar's display or play a confirmation sound. Congratulations, your soundbar should now be paired with the subwoofer. You can now enjoy the powerful bass and rich sound from your LG soundbar. To test the sound quality, play some music or a movie from your TV or another connected device. You can connect the soundbar to your TV using an HDMI cable, an optical cable, or wirelessly via LG SoundSync if you have a compatible LG TV. You can also stream music from your smartphone or tablet using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Adjust the volume, sound mode, and other settings using the remote control or the app. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews and how-to guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.